Manufacturers face constant pressure to reduce downtime, improve scalability, and maintain security, all while adapting quickly to changing demands. Traditional MES solutions are often rigid, leading to inefficiencies and costly delays. To stay competitive, manufacturers need systems that are stable, secure, flexible, and scalable, while ensuring fast time to market for updates and new features. Red Hat OpenShift solves these challenges by offering a containerized platform that allows for seamless updates without disrupting production. It ensures MES systems run with near zero downtime while providing robust security features that protect against cyber threats. OpenShift enables manufacturers to scale their operations flexibly, whether adding new production lines or optimizing resources in real time. It works across any environment, cloud, edge, or on-premise, giving manufacturers the freedom to deploy MES wherever it's most efficient. By running MES on OpenShift, manufacturers can reduce operational costs, enhance security, and accelerate innovation, ensuring they are fully prepared for the future of Industry 4.0. For manufacturers building their own MES in-house, OpenShift offers a flexible, modular development platform. This allows different parts of the MES to be developed, tested, and deployed independently, improving agility and resource efficiency. Combined with DevOps and CI/CD pipelines, the platform accelerates time to market while reducing complexity, letting developers focus on innovation instead of infrastructure. For those preferring off-the-shelf solutions, Red Hat partners with industry leaders like Critical Manufacturing or Corber to deliver MES systems optimized for cloud-native environments, ensuring quick deployment and future-proofing your production processes.